Hey there again, everybody. Paul Rogers here, Renovation Real Estate. You know, just talking to you about that one house again, that one house we're going to look to help you buy. And so a lot of people ask me, I've had this question come up multiple times. Hey, can we use that renovation loan or that rehab loan, or again, my favorite, the home purchase improvement loan? Can we use that on a manufactured home? There's a nice piece of property out here. It's got a nice little manufactured, double wide, triple wide, what have you. Fits all of our needs with, affordable. Can we do it? It needs a little bit of work. My answer is, do you want it? And if you want it, we can do it. The other question I bring up is what's the age of the manufactured home? If it's 1976 and or up to present date, 2023 when I'm recording this, yes, it can be done. Now, anything on a manufactured home, where we're at here in Washington State. Now, I can't speak to any other states in the union, but where we're at in Washington State, yes, you can most certainly do it on a manufactured home. Anything that you do on a manufactured home, work-wise, that all has to be typically run through L&I, Labor and Industries, for permitting. You can't penetrate the skin, if there's electrical work done. So it's a little bit more involved because of the permit process and the organization L&I that we have to run this through. But absolutely, you most certainly can. Again, back to this thing we've talked about in other videos, we need to come in, do an inspection on the property, determine what has to be done, and then maybe what you want to do to the property. So as long as it's before 1976 to present date, hey, not a problem. Minimum $5,000 again has to go into the property. We can do that. And then the only other thing we need to talk about basically is, the jurisdicting, the reporting authorities like, L&I, building codes, that type of stuff. But those are things that we're going to get into when we get on site and we start talking about this. I'm going to give you a whole lot more information as your agent. I'm here to represent you. I'm here to give you, I've had over 30 years of doing this, thousands of renovation projects that I've been involved with, so I can most certainly give you all the information on these projects that you're going to want to know. Once again, I hope this helps you. Can you use it on a manufactured home? Absolutely, you most certainly can. So anyway, if you like this, hit the like button over there, give us a thumbs up, do all that kind of cool stuff. Tell us you like us. Tell us you don't like us. I mean, I don't care. I do care. Seriously, no. I just want, to give you the best information I can give you in a timely manner and help you make some decisions. So thanks again for watching. We appreciate it, and we'll be back with you soon. Look for our other videos coming out soon. Bye.